Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to successfully answer for our Xenea wallet daily quiz as we promised to provide it. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go direct and claim our daily quiz and daily reward. So our daily reward here is it. Let's click on it. So claim we have successfully gotten 83 points. So today quiz. So today's quiz is like which blockchain is known for its fast transaction as low fees. Which is the like blockchain that we have like has a minimum, has the lowest fees that they charge among these blockchain that they listed: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin. So Ethereum has a big charges, and Bitcoin again has a big charges, but Solana too, as we know it, Solana has a smallest charges. This question, like if you know like all those top blockchain and you know how they use, so you don't need to go and like check for the Xenea daily quiz. So you can answer it on yourself. So let's click on submit. So congratulations to us, we have successfully claimed our daily quiz. So here, that's all what I want to share with you guys in this video. So this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload video. Thank you.